Good evening. This is how to use a command in MS-DOS. First, type D colon, then create a folder, type mkdir, space, your last name, Dora. Create a folder in your folder, type cd, your last name, then mkdir, A, then cda, mkdir B, cdb, mkdir C, cdc, then mkdir D, then cdb. Then type dir to check if the folder you create is correct. Then type cd dot dot to go back on the previous folder. Then if you already on the folder of your last name, type type 3 to see what inside on your folder. Then if you want to rename your folder, type rain space folder name. Ito pa to. Folder. Like, for example, you edit your folder A. Type rain space A space your edit name. Now, if you want to delete folder, type rd or rmdir space folder name. And then type dir. Then type dir to check if the folder deleted if you want to create a file. Type cd dot uh, space a greater than space folder name that okay, or this is my first that text. If you want to edit your file, type edit space file name, then enter. Then type your last name, Dora, A1AA section and cost 1. Then press Alt plus F and X and Y. If you want to see the text inside your file, type space file name. If you want to hide your folder, type this type file name that text. Then if you want to hide your folder, type attrib space drive name. Attrib space drive name space plus H space plus R space plus S space plus A. Then enter. then type dir, enter. Then if you want to restore the folder, type attrib space drive name space negative h space negative r space negative s space negative a, then done.